Okay, here we go. If a painter can paint a room in 4 hours and her assistant can paint the same room in 6 hours, so the assistant is slightly slower than the actual lead painter, how many hours will it take to paint the same room if they work together? So here's the general formula we use. It's an individual person or group plus an individual person or group equals them working together. So the painter is going to be my first person. The painter can paint one room in 4 hours. One room, that's one on top, 4 hours on the bottom. The assistant can paint the same one room in 6 hours. One room, 6 hours. We want to know how long does it take them to paint the same one room, and we don't know the time. If I gave this problem to you because it's a rational equation, you want to find a common denominator. Once a common denominator is found, you're going to wipe out the bottom and solve the top. So I see a 4, a 6, and an x. Let's work on the 4 and 6. 12 is the smallest number that 4 and 6 go into. So I'm going to make this a 12 by multiplying by 3, both top and bottom. Multiplying by 2, top and bottom. And to make this a 12, multiplying by 12, top and bottom. Okay, now they all have 12s on the bottom. What's the next thing they all need? They all need an x, because there is an x in the bottom. The last section has an x, but these two are missing. Times x, x, and x. So each of the sections now contains 12x. I wipe out the bottom. And I have 3x plus, this will always be addition, plus 2x equals 12. 5x equals 12, divide by 5. And the answer is, how long will it take them to paint one room, the same room, if they're working together? Well, the answer of 12 over 5 doesn't make a lot of sense. Yes, that's the correct math, but it's really not answering the question, how long? Grab your calculator and please take 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5 is the number 2.4. Still is not making a lot of sense. If somebody said, well, how long did you work? 2.4 hours. They don't say that. They say 2 hours and so many minutes. So I know this answer is 2 hours. That's the whole number, but it's not a complete hour and back. It's a partial hour. I'm going to take the decimal 0.4, that partial hour, and I'm going to take it times 60, representing 60 minutes. That means working together, the painter and her assistant would take 2 hours and 24 minutes to paint the same room.